What if it's a jumping spider?
Ah! Shh! You're gonna scare Darren.
Darren,
Darren,
I'm
the
so sorry,
sick fucking cunt.
I'm so sorry, you sick cunt.
Sick fucking cunt.
Fuck, mate.
Fuck, mate.
That's heaps good, yeah?
I can't get it to
Yeah.
You can't get it. It's because you got a fucking Galaxy A15, mate.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's the worst phone on the island,
The
mate.
Walmart phone, mate.
Walmart phone.
Walmart phone, mate.
Fucking Metro PCS really fucked you over on that one, didn't it?
God damn.
Oh, damn, mate.
Yes, it did.
What, mate?
What is bro doing?
Oh my god, it's dancing!
Darren doing the Darren dance.
Get closer.
I don't want to get closer.
I swear to god, you can see him dancing.
He's moving.
Oh my god!
Darren.
Somebody record this. We're making a spider dance and we're high as fuck.